Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to the EasyHotel Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. Now, even though the hotel is in the airport grounds, it's still an 8-minute drive from arrivals because the airport is massive. Have you been wondering what one of these EasyHotels actually looks like? Well, I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a little review, a quick tour of the room. I'm here in Paris for a couple of nights. I'm staying here. I'm doing another video out and about in the suburbs of Paris. That video is up. You can check it out, please. Well, let's get in the room, show you about. Okay, let's check it out. There's a light. Hey. One very bright orange door. Mirror. One bed. TV. Hanging up things. Shower. Actually very nice. Spotless. Let's check out the window. Very compact and bijou. It's French on it. Right across from the Aéroville shopping mall, which is quite handy. Oh, you see that plane there? We're still in the Charles de Gaulle Airport grounds. The place is massive. But yeah, that's it. Very nice, very noisy curtains. A comfy bed. Very soft bed. Soft pillows. Spotless. I'm happy with this. EasyHotel. This cost £52 per night. Bargain, considering it's Paris. Look at that. Neat shelfie thing. Lights, sockets, USBs, well handy. Table light. Check out the telly. Oh, nasty. Nasty scratches there. What we got? BBC News. Depressing. Anyway. I'm happy with this. Spotless. Spotless. Well happy. Proud to be low carbon. There we go. EasyHotel. Well happy.